It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. So teams, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Constant Spring.
Alanda Charalong, Alanda Charalong.
Correct. Sports. In which country would you find the Lord's cricket ground? England. Bible knowledge. Jethro was the father-in-law of which Bible patriarch? Constant Spring.
Moses, Moses.
Correct. Science. During photosynthesis, which gas is used by plants? Constant Spring.
Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide.
Correct. English language. What is the past participle of the word build? Emmanuel.
Build.
Correct. Music. What is the highest voice of the ordinary adult male range? Constant Spring.
Baritona.
Incorrect. The tenor. General knowledge. Tiger Woods is to golf as Andy Murray is to what sport? Lawn tennis. Theater. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Emmanuel.
Dove Cameron.
Correct. Mathematics. How many degrees are in a right-angled triangle? Emmanuel.
90 degrees.
Correct. Social studies. If you are traveling along Jamaica's south coast and end up on Melrose Hill, in which parish are you? Manchester. Television. In the animated series The Powerpuff Girls, what is the name of the character with the signature color blue? Emmanuel.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Emmanuel.
Serena Williams.
Correct. Bible knowledge. In the Old Testament, whose wife tried to seduce Joseph while he worked as a slave in their home? Constant Spring.
Potiphar's. Potiphar's.
In Egypt, Judges? Incorrect. Potiphar. Science. What is the name for the light-sensitive screen in the human eye? Emmanuel?
Retina.
Correct. Just for Bible knowledge, your answer was accepted for Potiphar's. English language. Form an adverb from the word health. Emmanuel.
Healthy.
Incorrect. Healthily or healthfully. Music. Complete the name of this American music group. Gladys Knight and the Pips. General knowledge. Which word beginning with E means the death of every member of a particular species? Emmanuel, Christian Academy.
Extinction.
Correct. Local affairs. Who is Jamaica's Director of Public Prosecution? Constant Spring.
Paula Lilu. Paula Lilu.
Incorrect. Paula Llewellyn. Mathematics. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with the length measuring 8 centimeters and the width measuring 3 times the length? 64 centimeters. Social studies. Which county of Jamaica was named after a county in England and also because it's located in the center of the island? Constant Spring.
Middlesex. Middlesex.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible? We will not be able to finish that question because that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Constant Spring Primary on 19 points and Emmanuel Christian Academy on 33 points. So Emmanuel Christian Academy, congratulations to your win today and a very good game played by Constant Spring Primary.